my good peeps, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be building a raised garden bed out of none other than pallet wood. So right now I'm measuring the length of the pallet wood to about 36 inches and the width to about 15 inches. I'm using my speed square and my circle saw just to make this go really quick and really simple. And because I'm using pallet wood, all of this is absolutely free. So I'm using some scrap pallet wood to attach the lengthwise pieces together, just so it can be a nice strong hold. And I'm using some common nails I already had on hand. So here I am attaching the length side to the width side with these same common nails that I've had for years, and I finally got a use for them. And now I'm using another piece of pallet wood just to hold the bottom together. And I'll show you how I fill in the bottom just so the dirt doesn't fall off. So I just fit this to go snug into the bottom, and I'm nailing that in place with the same common nails that I've already had. All right, so once all of that is in place, I'm just kind of showing you how the skeleton of it all looks. It looks great, exactly how I wanted it to. I am seeing my vision come together. And now in my backyard, in the very, very back, I noticed like this, it almost kind of looks like a pet cemetery, but not really. I think it was more so just like a bird garden that the previous owner had. And he had like these cement pikes, I think they're called, and you'll see those right there. So I'm gonna snatch those up out the dirt, and it was not as easy as I thought it was gonna be because they were deep. You see how deep the dirt goes on there? So yeah, I had to really pull those out. So I'm sitting my planter box on top of those because it's at the height that I wanted for my daughter, because she's the one who actually wanted the garden. So I said, all right, mama got you, girl. So in the shed, I found this really thick plywood. So I was like, oh, okay, I can use this as the bottom. And it was just really, really thick, really, really strong. So it worked out perfectly. And I measured that to fit, and I'm just cutting that with my circle saw. So I've used the biggest drill bit that I could find, and I'm using that to poke a bunch of holes in the bottom so that the water can go through. And I also have this weed barrier that I'm using for a completely different project, but I figured a little bit of this, for this project wouldn't hurt. But this is just so that the plants and stuff and weeds and all of that can have a barrier. So I'm cutting that to fit snug. I don't want any dirt or anything trying to fall out. I want to save all that nutrients. I'm using my staple gun to make it fit in place. And this part went by really, really simple. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I hope you can see the vision coming to light. If you like these kind of videos, let me know. I just love doing DIYs. So I got this huge bag of dirt from Lowe's. I think I paid about like $7 for it. And we're just dumping the whole thing in there. And it actually was just enough for the planter box, and I was able to take some out and use it for the like bowl planter things, and you'll see that later. But I got some onion bulbs. They said to plant these right before it gets hot, so we're doing that now. And these are the yellow onions, and I'm also going to be planting some red potatoes and some red onions. And once it gets warm, I'll plant some lettuce and strawberries and all kind of good stuff. I'm trying to get my green thumb, y'all. So I'm using these temporary stakes until I go to the Dollar Tree and get the, little cute ones. This one looks a little raggedy, but that was just, we did that just before we went to the store, and you'll see those in just a second. So we're watering those after they're planted. And these are the stakes I was talking about. Dollar Tree has them 10 for $1. And I'm just gonna write in permanent marker what I'm planting. And I saw these cute little fairy decor that my daughter wanted to put in there. So you'll see me putting those. And she wanted to paint it this really bright green. And I said, let's go for it, girl. This is all yours. So we painted it this bright green, and I thought it was so cute and adorable. If you all enjoyed the video as much as I did, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to the channel for more awesome content like this. I love you all. I really hope that I can see you in the next video and that you enjoy this kind of content. You all take care, and I love you so much. All right, bye.